So I'm gonna give you some tips on how to travel alone. And I always also, I don't know how I got morning. That's so funny. So I wasn't paying attention. I went always to the top. So anyway, so I'm gonna give you some tips on how to travel alone. And I have a few tips because you guys know I'm always on vacation by myself. And I want to say this before I give you my tips. If you cannot be alone, something is wrong. Because every time I do a solo vacation, everyone questions me and saying they can never do it. But it's a problem if you cannot be by yourself.
Everything big, nail done, hair done, everything big. And my NY girls, let me see your hand.
I already gave you a little intro about what this video is gonna be, so let me just jump into my tips. So, as soon as you book and all that, you got everything ready and you're at your hotel checking in, always get 2 keys and don't let them, the host or are they called host? But don't let them know that you're by yourself. Don't let them know. And always click both of the keys because you never know who is listening to your conversation. And some of the workers probably can also, you know, I don't want to speak anything bad, but just always get both of the keys that they offer you. Now, when you're going out, learn how to lie. I know, like, you know, like, what? Learn how to lie. So, for instance, if you're at a bar and somebody sees you by yourself and they come talking to you and they say, oh, you by yourself? Of course you're by yourself. But always say, oh, I have friends that are out here or they're in the room right now. Say something like that so they know, like, you have people with you just in case something, you know, ever to pop off. We're adults, so I guess we can talk about this too. Don't invite anybody back to your room. And I'm not shaming anybody. We all adults and it's okay to have fun, but don't invite anyone back to your room, a girl or a guy. Women are messy too. They can set you up, so keep that back in your mind as well. Just if you just want to hang out to have drinks, I don't know, but I'm trying to be realistic in my tips because I know what happens. You know what I mean? I know. So I'm just telling you guys, don't invite anybody into your room because they can rob you. They can rob you. Always watch your drinks. Always watch your drinks. I think that's a given, to watch your drink. Every time you get up, take it with you. Go to the restroom, take it with you as well, or just down it and then go to the restroom. But always watch your drinks because there are some bad people out there who want to take advantage of you. And then another thing is, when you're out by yourself, you cannot get lit. You cannot get too drunk. You have to be hyper visual of everything. You have to be aware of your surroundings at all times. Because, like I said, you're by yourself. And you don't know who's watching you. This is a weakness of mine. Well, it's not even a weakness. It's something I need to work on. Because usually when I'm out, if I'm at the bar, like just right now, I just left the bar, I was on live. So basically I am not paying attention to my surroundings. So I didn't even see it that was at the bar. He came over and sat at my table and he was talking to me saying he saw me from across. That's not a weakness of me, but I'm just saying I need to be more prepared for that. But it was nothing wrong with them. Just giving you an example that you have to be aware of your surroundings at all times and be hyper vigilant. Like, if you've seen all the vlogs, I tell you guys what's been going on and how a lot of people have been out. Well, every time I'm out, people always come talk to me and all that. So I met a few people already out here and I'm just trying to give you guys some suggestions when you meet strangers. Always have cash on you just in case something happens. You need to be prepared just in case. Just always have a few bucks in your purse, all the way, you know, in your ID, your credit card, and all that. Make sure you have some extra cash. It's always good to have it anyway. When you do go out, always let like some family members know, family or friends or whoever you're close to, let them know where you're at. Just text them or also post where you're at, so they don't know, just in case something do happen, they would know, like they can trace it back. You know what I mean? It's just always good to know, to have that security, that somebody knows where you're at all times. Also, if you meet somebody, like you meet a guy and you're at the bar or the club, try to sneak a picture of him. Or or get their social media. I know this probably sounds weird, like what do you mean by doing that, but just in case you would never know. I do it. Like, for instance, like I told you, the guy that I met at the bar, I try to sneak, when he was on his phone, I snuck a little picture just in case something, you know, just in case I have some kind of security, or, you know, I don't want to think anything bad, but I always do it. I sneak a little picture, or also I just exchange their social medias as well. So I need their social media, I need their Instagram, I need it. Especially if we're gonna be talking, if we're, you know what I mean, just in case, like if he asks for my number, whatever. I'm just saying, even for women as well, like for women, same thing, exchange their Instagram to see, just in case. And I'm gonna say this, like I saw this video of this girl. She went out by herself and she got robbed. She got robbed by a girl and a guy. So there were couples, and then she was saying, I'm gonna say allegedly, just in case, allegedly. So she was at the bar, I think she had a Gucci purse or something. So she, a couple came up to her, befriended her, blah blah, they were talking. Next thing you know, they robbed her. They were about to, so the couple asked, oh, let's go to another spot together. The girl agreed. So as they was going, they robbed her. They took everything, her room key, her purse, her wallet, and all that. So I'm just saying, to prevent anything, well, that's not gonna, you can't prevent being robbed, but I'm just saying, like, if you have pictures, just in case, if you call the police, I'm just saying, you get to be prepared. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, I feel like that's it. Oh my god, that's all I put. You know what, I hope my tips were helpful. I feel like that was a jam-packed, that was a lot of information all right there. And if I say travel by yourself, it is fine. I like to travel by myself because if I don't have anybody to go with me, I'm not gonna just sit at home and be sad that I can't go out, you know what I mean? So I enjoy it, actually. I enjoy going out. I love to travel, but anyway. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave it below. And my docu-series is, I don't even know how I'm editing this, but every travel vacation I do, I call it my travel docu-series. That's what I call them. And I break them all up into different days. So one day will be a video. So that's how I do it. So every day you have some content for you. Wait, hold on. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. I do not niche down on my channel. I vlog about everything about my life, my lifestyle, and all that. You'll always be entertained. Yeah. I see you guys in my next video.